Hey guys, this is Crypto J, welcoming you guys back to the channel. And today we're going to talk about how to invest in crypto as well as the stocks using an app called Robinhood. Okay, so we are on the Robinhood page now, and as you can see in the title here, it says investing now for the rest of us. And it also talks about learning how to invest in the stocks market for free. So they also have a crypto element, as you can see up top, introducing Robinhood Crypto 24/7. Okay, so let's go through the sign up process here and get a feel for what we're up against here, what they're asking for. Now, for the video, only purposes for this video, I'm going to put in, some bogus names and just to kind of walk through it and see, how the process is for the sake of this video. Okay, as you saw down below there, it asked, do you have an iOS or Android device? I answered yes, I do have an iOS device. So let's click continue here. Okay, so it asks for an address. It says here, I am a director, 10% shareholder, or senior officer of a publicly traded company. That's a negative. It also talks about I am employed by or associated with a member firm of a stock exchange, okay, or FINRA. That is a negative. So we're going to click continue, folks. Now, if that does apply to you, then I recommend you checking the box. Continue. Okay. So as you can see here, it says verify your identity as a registered broker dealer. Robinhood is required by federal law, okay, so the U.S. Patriot Act of 2001, to collect your Social Security number. So, folks, along the process, they will ask for a Social Security number. So keep that in mind when you're signing up for Robinhood, that you are required by law, the U.S. Patriot Act of 2001, to give up your Social Security. Now, some folks that are more so protected of their privacy may not want to do that, and other folks, they may want to sign up with their Social Security. That's totally up to you. That's your call. Okay, I'm not your financial advisor. Under any means, I'm suggesting that you do sign up using your Social Security. That's your choice. Okay, folks? So, as you can see here, they do ask for your Social Security. And to move forward, you would have to press continue. And this is what it looks like, excuse me. Okay? So they want to know all this stuff here. Okay, your identity, they want to know your date of birth, Social Security, whether you're a citizen, an alien, married, or not, your investment experience, your employment status, etc. And the next one is funding. Obviously, how are you going to fund this account? Okay. And then you would submit your application. And last but not least, you would have to wait some time for them to review your application in order for you to start investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies. Okay, so there you have it, folks. This was a walkthrough of Robinhood. Okay. Okay, so we just went over the sign-up process, and we're back at the home page here, and we're just kind of filling the page out, kind of getting the feel for what we're up against. And as we went over previously, that you would need to include your Social Security, date of birth, address, and your marital status, as well as other information, in order to successfully trade or invest stocks as well as cryptocurrencies on this market. platform. So up top, we're going to go to introducing Robinhood Crypto 24/7 just to see what that link has to offer. It says don't sleep, invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies 24/7, commission free, which is great. Other sites such as Binance, Bittrex, Poloniex, and other trading platforms, they do charge a relatively small fee per transaction. So this is great that they're commission free. I know folks, you're wondering, well, how do they make the money, from the trades? So let's watch the video. So here we are back to the home page. There is a free stock that you can obtain by sending out a link to your friends or family after you sign up, and they would get a free stock as well as yourself. And that's a bit of a great incentive for building the community around Robinhood. I definitely did it, and it worked out pretty nice. I believe I got Groupon as a free stock. I sent my link to my family member, and they signed up, and so I was able to receive that. So shout outs to that family member, Jill, who signed up. Looking back at the home page here, as we can go back down, it says invest for free. And we believe that financial system should help the rest of us, not just the wealthy, which is great. Power back to the people. We've cut the fat that makes other brokerages costly, like manually account management and hundreds of storefront locations. Okay, so we can offer zero commission trading. So that makes sense. They're cutting out the middleman. They're cutting out the brick and mortar infrastructure in place in order to reduce the commission fees. And in return, you're getting a zero commission trading experience, which is great, Okay. It says here a comment from David from Williamsburg, Kentucky. He says, absolutely the best way to trade in the market, simple, free, and fast. No more paying to invest my own money. Great. Okay. And folks, if you have a smart phone, iOS or Android base, there's an app that they offer. You can download that app and start to use it today and sign up. Get yourself acclimated with this new software so you can start trading and invest in stocks. Okay. It says here, no manual needed. Okay, which is great. They made it idiot proof. It said we've designed Robinhood from the ground up for the next generation of newcomers and experts alike. It's fast, dead simple, and just works. Awesome. Learn by doing. Awesome. Awesome. Love this. Okay. From Jerry from Chicago, definitely a great stock trading starter kit. Okay. Of course, trusted by millions in the USA. We're serious about security. I know everyone wants to hear this part. And use cutting-edge technology to ensure your personal information is fully encrypted and securely stored. Robinhood Financial is a member of SPIC, which means securities in your account are protected up to $500,000. For details, please see www.spic.org. You can also check out Robinhood Financial on FINRA's broker check. Okay, so they're ensuring security from using their platform. Okay, guys, it looks like Robinhood platform is operating in the US as well as Australia. I'm sure as time progresses and this Robinhood platform becomes more and more popular, we will see it in other countries internationally. So I wanted to show you guys this last video, which was really cool. It talks about like how fees are associated with, stock trading. And so let's get right into it.
You ever think about trading stocks? I mean, you can now, of course. There's always been a cost, usually up to $10 for every single trade. That adds up. No way around it for people like you and me. Until now. Robinhood lets you trade stocks with zero commission. That's right, commission free. Let me show you how this works because you might not believe me. Couldn't be easier to make a trade using the Robinhood app. 3 taps. I just bought some stock. Zero commission, not up to $10. How do they do this? Well, other brokers have brick and mortar stores. They spend millions on Super Bowl ads. Robinhood doesn't. And the savings are passed on to you. It's simple, it's fast, and it works. You'll get real-time market data streaming to your phone when you need to know what you need to know to make an informed trade decision. Even notifications when important stuff happens. So sign up and make your first trade. It's commission free. People like us can trade just like the big guys. With Robinhood.
Okay, there you have it, folks. All right, well, thanks, folks, for watching the video. I'm going to leave some more links down in the description so that way you guys who do sign up, you'll have a link for to get a free stock as well as some literature on reading up on Robinhood. And once again, the Robinhood platform offers both the iOS and Android apps, so you can download this app on your phone. You don't need a desktop computer to do this and get started right away. All right, folks, peace and love and happiness. This is reporting live from YouTube land, and wishing you guys all the best. If you like this video, if it's very informative for you, please subscribe, hit those like buttons, okay, and we'll keep the videos rolling. Peace.